What's up, watchers? Welcome back to another vlog. As usual, I got Griffin here with me. Got the homie Mayor Cove. Today, we are back in LA. Stay tuned.
Go ahead, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem.
Thank you.
Thanks. This is the South Tower backwards.
Sort of.
So that was easy to get up here, but hopefully we can make it to the top without being caught by security or something. There's the freeway. We got 10 more to go. We're getting higher. Damn. 8 more to go. Oh, would have worked. Oh man, these stairs are killing us. Oh man. How do you feel, Rick? How do you feel? Dang, 18 floors. Oh. So sick.
Violence will be prosecuted.
If not, we going through one of these hallways. If it opens out, hey, see if it opens from the outside though. Here. Yeah? Okay, come on. Check to see if there's anyone there. Come on. No, there isn't. No, it's gone. It's gone. So we made it up here. That was pretty easy. I thought it was actually gonna be very challenging to get up there. 18 floors we had to run up to get up here. Pretty burnt out from that, but man. Yeah, I've always wanted to been up here, but never got the chance until actually today. So it's pretty dope to be up here. Are you scared?
I just like think other people will trip.
Yeah. So we're gonna make our way down before we get busted by security or something. But you know, it's a dope little view. Just wanted to get that video real quick and just check it out and see how easy it actually is to get up here. But yeah, we're just gonna get out of here. So yeah, there you go, we got up there.